Here I have SONY Ericsson E15i, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you should open contacts list. Okay, so when you're in these contacts here, you should tap on this button. Then go to import and export. Select import SIM contacts. Okay, so I guess here you can select like contacts from your SIM which you want to. Okay, it just imports all contacts that there are. Like I used to have this CEO contact there, like this God contact and some other, I guess, president contact. Yeah, these contacts were imported from my SIM card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.